Good morning students. Today I am teaching to you lesson number 8, more on MSW logo. In this lesson I am teaching to you some more interesting command in logo. You have learned FD, BK, RT, LT, home, CS, CT, HT command in lesson number 7. Now more command we will learn in this lesson. First command is there PU and second one is PD. What is the use of PU and PD command? PU means pen up command. It is used to make the turtle stop drawing a line when it's moved. Means if you don't want your line for stop the line, you have to type the PU command. And if you want again your line, that time you have to give PD command. Means for a PD command, you can use the turtle begin drawing a line. We will see one example and we will use that two commands in that example. You can see here, we will draw two square and we will use PU as well as PD command in that drawing. First I am giving here FD 80 and RT 90. FD 80, RT 90. Then your turtle will move like this. Turtle will turn forward direction FD 80 and it will turn here right side. Again we will use this same command 4 times. In this way your turtle will turn and you will get here square. Okay, is it clear? Means FD 80, RT 90 this side turn, then FD 80, RT 90 this side turn, FD 80, RT 90 your turtle will turn this side and again FD 80, RT 90 you will get your turtle here. Now you want for a second square your turtle you want this side because we are drawing here your second square. That's why we want your turtle head this side. For that we will type here RT 90. Turtle will turn this side. Now we don't want for a second square, we don't want here line. We want here space. Here little space. For that we will give here PU command. Then you will get here space. After PU I want here one line. Means we want turtle this side. Here we want turtle. That's why I am giving here it is 80. Again little forward we will move. That time we will get here space. Then I am typing here FD 100 because it is 80. FD 100. Now your turtle is here. Now we will use PD command. If you are not giving here PD command, then you will not get here any line. That's why we will give here PD command. Then after PD command, you have to type FD 80 and LT 90. Because if FD 80 and RT 90 you will give, then square will come here. We want here your square. That's why we will give here LT 90. Then same command we will follow 4 times. FD 80, LT 90. Again FD 80, LT 90. Again FD 80, LT 90. Then HT for hide the turtle. In this way you can draw two square use of PU and PD command. In this way you can draw here on the screen. Okay students, now we will in a next video we will see PE and PPT command. What is the use of PE and PPT command? Okay.